welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see 5 HTML tags that you probably didn't know about. So let's get started. So the first tag is I will write details and summary tag. There are two tags, details and summary. I will tell you how to use them. Now let's say if I create a span and if I write here, click here for details, and I have my live server open. Now how nice it would be if I click here and this detail will appear. So without any hard work or lengthy code, there is a really easy trick from which you can do that, and you can do that by details and summary tag. I will type details, and inside details I will type summary, and inside the summary you need to give the title, like let's say click here for details. And after closing the summary tag, inside the details tag only, keep this in mind, you need to be inside the details tag only, you need to type the details. I will keep it inside a paragraph, and this is the detail of this website. Like now, as you can see, click here for details, and there is an arrow mark. This tells that it is in details tag. If I click here, as you can see that detail is coming. If I click here again, it is like hidden, and if I click here, it is shown. So this is how good details tag is. Now the next tag is subscript tag. So you sometimes, like if I type 5 and here I type 2, now you would have want it to be like 2 is you would have want 2 to be below 5, like it is written in books. So how would you do that? So for that you need to use a subscript tag. You need to open a sub tag and write 2, and as you can see that 2 is in smaller 2 is smaller than 5, and it is also below the 5. A similar kind of tag is superscript. Now let's say if I write 8 and th, and you would have wanted th to be above 8. So how would you do that? For that you need to use the superscript tag. You will open a sup tag and write th there, and that th is above 8, and it is also smaller. So these are how good these two tags are, and HTML provides so many utility tags. Now the next set of tags are utility tags, which are underline, bold and strike through. So let's say if I have written a paragraph here. Now this is the normal text, normal, and this is the normal text. Now if you wanted bold, what would you do? For that you need to open a B tag, which represents bold, and write anything you want that needs to be in bold. And as you can see, this is bold. Now what if you want it to be underlined? What would you do? You first put a comma here. You need to open a U tag, U, and write anything you want that needs to be underlined. So as you can see, this is underlined. And strike through text. You need to be a text to be strike through to show a correction. So for that, what you need to do, you need to open a S tag, which and type the text you want, strike through. Okay, and as you can see, this is strike through. Now what if you want all of these properties in a single word? So I will create a B tag, and inside the B tag I will open a U tag, and inside the U tag I will open a S tag, and I will write all formatting or any text you want and all of that. And as you can see, this is bold, this is underlined, and this is strike through also. So there are a lot of utility tags in HTML, and which is really good, which is really useful for web developers out there. So the next tag is progress tag. Now imagine you want to show progress like 32%. So in a bar which shows the 32% of that. So how would you do that? You will use progress tag. So first I will create a form, which is not necessary. I will leave the action or slash, which is not important here. Now I will create a label, and label for progress, and I will name it as downloading, any progress that you want, downloading, and semicolon 32%. And after that I will create a progress tag. Progress. I forgot progress, and inside the progress you need to create an attribute which says value equals to whichever you want, 32, I'll keep it, and minimum I want it to be 0, and max I want it to be 100. So as you can see that this progress bar is coming. If you want, you can increase the value to 46, and it will be like that. You can keep it 99, and that 1% is left. So yes, you can use progress to like show the progress of anything. So that is it for today's video. Hope you liked our video, and if you knew any of these texts, please comment down below, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.